Hello everyone, my name is Patrick Frawley and I'm your product specialist for tractors. Today you join me here at our CLAAS UK headquarters in Saxham, and in this video we're going to have a look at some of our general settings on our CMATIC transmissions in a CEBIS machine. So you now join me back up in the cab of our CEBIS CMATIC machine, looking at some of the more general settings that we can make in relation to this transmission. I think it's fair to say the general settings that we can see here in this video are the ones that will really personalize how the machine performs to your operator preference. Well, firstly, we have our right-hand reverser available on the C-Motion joystick. What we do is firstly we pop our shuttle into the neutral position on our steering column. We then use the orange button as an unlock button. We then push or pull the joystick in the direction that we would like to go as a two-step process. What other settings can we make? Well, firstly, we pop into our transmission menu and we have in our drive strategy menu here a couple of things that we can alter. We see firstly an acceleration setting, which we can use to either speed up or slow down how quickly the machine will take off. Personally, I like about 2 to 2.5. We then have a Rev Shift Progressivity setting here as well. So we can again change how aggressive the machine changes into the forwards direction here with this setting, or into the reverse direction here with this setting. -4 being soft and +4 being more aggressive. So in a combination of our Rev Shift Progressivity settings and the acceleration setting, it'll change how aggressive the weight is transferred across the machine. So if we think about maybe a heavy mounted plow on the back end of the machine, maybe 5 or 6 or maybe even a little bit bigger, furrows off the back end of the machine, we can slow all of these settings down and make them a little bit softer so that we get less aggressive weight transfer when we're taking off, improving the drivability of the machine. We also have in our cruise control menu a cruise control disable by throttle pedal. By turning this on, what it means is when we go near our throttle pedal or our joystick with cruise control engaged, it will disengage it for us and then save our value. So for example, if I had this turned off and I was in my joystick mode for my drive mode on my transmission and I pushed or pulled on my joystick, this wouldn't disengage my cruise control, it will change my cruise control value. But with this turned on, I can pull my joystick back to slow down for turning on my headland. Once I've finished my turn, I can then tap on my orange button and I'll resume the same speed that I had previously. So quite a nice little setting to work in the background there as well. We can also make some of these settings directly from our home page. So if I pop into my transmission menu on my tractor silhouette, we can see that we have our acceleration setting here available to us as well. So, thank you for watching everyone. Feel free to watch some of the other videos in relation to your own specific machine. And if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact your local dealer.